Dreamers, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could generate an extra $1,000 a week or $4,000 a month paycheck just from your LEAP options on SPY, the S&P 500. This strategy is called Poor Man Covered Call, and I'm going to show you guys how you could give yourself a raise. Give yourself a raise to where you could get paid out every single week or every single month in this video. So go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And one more big thing, if you're already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Right here, we're sitting at about average, and this is not an average community, guys. Let's get it above 30% of my subscribers have that notification bell turned on. If we could get this above 30%, I'm going to do a giveaway on this channel, and I'm going to send you guys either some shares of Apple, Nvidia. I'm going to send you guys the shares. We'll do a poll on whatever shares that you want. I'll do a giveaway when I get above 30% of my subscribers with that notification bell turned on. So if you want to be a part of the best community, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Now, dreamers, here we are on my Robinhood account. Over the last 3 months right here, let's get the last 3 months, I've had a pretty good success. I'm up 24,000. I'm up 24%. That is $61,603 inside of my Robinhood portfolio. And I'm going to show you guys how to do poor man cover calls to generate yourself some extra income every single week or every single month. You can actually do it every single day with this strategy right here, but it's a little bit safer to do it about a week or a month out. So there's a couple of steps to this. It's called the poor man cover call, and I'm going to show you guys every single step in this video. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. So the first step is that we're going to go to the S&P 500, which is SPY. Now, the S&P 500 has America's top 500 companies. This is a little bit over 500 companies. They just added Robinhood to it. I think they removed a couple, but it may be like 502 companies in there. So the S&P 500 tracks, it is the stock market. And over the last 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, it has historically gone up 8 to 10% every single year. So the S&P 500 do have their down years, but after a down year, they may have a 20% year or a 30% year. But on average, they go up around about 8 to 10% every single year. So a lot of people like to do LEAP options on SPY because statistically speaking, you have a higher rate of winning than losing just looking at stats. So stats is you always want stats on your favor and your side when it comes to trading or investing. So the first thing you want to do is that you're going to be buying LEAP options. And I like to buy LEAP options expiring anywhere over a year long. In this example, we're going to look for SPY options expiring around 1 year out at a 0.7 to a 0.8 delta. Now, a 0.70 delta means for every $1 move on SPY, you'll make $70. If you did a 0.8 delta, it'll cost a little bit more, but for every $1 move on SPY, you'll make $80. So let's take a quick look. We're going to be buying a call. Let's go all the way out a little bit further than a year. Let's go out. We're going to go out to September 18, 2026. And if you're confused on why I'm picking these dates, I highly encourage you guys to join the Dream Team. All right. So the Dream Team right now is my Patreon. It is half off through September. You guys could join. It's only 4 spots remaining. Over there, I teach the wheel strategy. That is the whole point of the Dream Team. I teach the wheel strategy, poor man cover calls, LEAPS. Everything that you need to know about option trading is inside of the Dream Team. And the most important part about this is that I have live Zoom calls every single Sunday, and those Zoom calls are small, guys. That's why it's only 4 spots remaining. I do not want too many people in there. And then so when the classes are small, I'm able to communicate directly with the members that's in there, and it's more attentive. I could get to everybody questions. I don't need a class size of 100. It's going to be too many people in there. I like to be able to talk to everyone one-on-one. And you'll also get access to the Lucid Dreamer Road, to where I have 7 pro day traders that post in there every single day. So guys, if you do want to join the Patreon, that link is going to be down in the pinned comment section and also inside the description. Over there, you'll have access to the video courses, everything that you need to learn about the wheel strategy, poor man cover calls, LEAP options, everything that you need is going to be in there. And then you'll be a part of the Zoom calls on Sunday. If you're confused about anything, you have direct access to me. So if you guys want to be a part of that, it's only 4 spots remaining. Go ahead, click that link down in the pinned comment section and also in the comments. So here we are back on SPY. So if you already been following the channel, you already know that I like to pick 0.7 to 0.8 delta. So let's look for a 0.7 delta. Let's scroll down to this delta is 0.66. Let's look at the 640. The 640 is 0.68. Let's look at the 635. All right, the 635 is 0.69. Then let's look at the 625. 625 is 700. 625 is 0.72 delta. So let's go back to the 630 call. This one is 0.7 delta, which is the one that we want. So this one will cost us $7,442. So if we hit continue, hit this one right here, it will cost us $7,442 just to buy this one LEAP option on SPY. And of course, your break even if SPY has to reach around $700 by expiration, and anything over that is extreme profit. It's been a lot of people that grew their account from LEAP options alone. I'm going to show you guys how to make even more money from your LEAP options from doing poor man cover calls. So remember, in order to do a regular cover call, you have to own 100 shares of a company. Right now, we're talking about SPY. So in order to own 100 shares of SPY, you would need $65,725. $65,725 in order to buy 100 shares of SPY and start to do cover calls on SPY. That is a lot of money compared to just the 7,000 that we was talking about. So this is the poor way of doing it, the poor man cover call. So once we bought that LEAP option, that's saying that gives us control of like owning 100 shares. It's acting like we own 100 shares, and now we can start to sell cover calls versus our LEAP options. So what you do, you hit trade options, and the cool thing about SPY is that you could literally sell options on SPY every single day. They got the 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, every market day, every market day that SPY is open, you can start to sell cover calls. So we're going to go out a week to September 19th right here. This is a week out from the time I'm recording this video. And now we're going to be selling a call anywhere from around a 0.3 to 0.2 delta. So let's scroll up to $664. That's a 0.2 delta. Let's hit for 663. That's 2.25 delta. So yeah, we're gonna pick this one right here. So this one's gonna give us 90 cents in premium, and you multiply that by 100 when you're dealing with options. Options is 100 shares, so that's gonna be $90. So you hit continue. If you hit one, now you get $90 in a week just from selling a poor man cover calls versus your LEAP options on SPY. So how much money? So how many contracts would you need in order to make around $1,000 a week? I already did the math. You'll need around 11 contracts in order to make around $1,000 every single week. And if you're making $1,000 every single week, you'll be bringing in $52,000 in a year if you had 11 contracts of SPY. So let's go back and look and see how much 11 contracts would have cost if we bought 11 LEAP options. We're going all the way back out to September 18th, and we was looking at the 630 right here. Hit continue. Hit 11. So to buy 11 LEAP options, it will cost us $81,862. So on $81,862, we can make half that back just from doing poor man cover calls at $52,000. So if SPY goes up and we make an extra $52,000 on top of if SPY goes up, we're gonna make a killing giving ourselves a raise that could pay us out every single week or every single month. So yeah, if you have around 80K, or you can have around 40K if you want to cut in half, bring in an extra $500 a week, you could do that. If you have 40K, you could bring in an extra $400 a week or $2,000 a month, which is really, really good. That could help out a lot of people. I know people with $250,000 accounts doing LEAP options and selling cover calls on SPY and QQQ with a $250,000 account. Right? So they are killing it. I could show you guys what we've been doing inside the Dream Team so far this year through August, not even through September yet. We're up $28,908 just from doing the wheel strategy on a couple of these companies that you guys see down here. And this is the premium only. We're not counting capital gain. This is just premium only. We're up $28,908. So I'm on track to do around a $35,000 a year just from the wheel strategy. So if you guys do want to learn that, we've been doing the wheel strategy, poor man cover calls, cash secure, rolling guard options, and what else we've been doing in credit spread. So if you guys do want to learn that, be a part of the Dream Team, that link is going to be down in the comment section. But yeah, dreamers, hey. But yeah, we've been killing it, give me the loot, give us the loot, give me the loot, right? So comment that down in the comment section, give me the loot. That let me know you made it to the end of this video. And would you be happy that you could be the person that you could be in control of giving yourself a raise? You don't have to rely on your boss to give you a 2 to 3% raise every year. You could give yourself a 2 to 3% profit every month if you wanted to, guys. So let me know if you would like to be in control of giving yourself a raise if you wanted to, and you don't have to rely on your boss or the corporation or anything like that for performance or anything like that. If you can learn this skill, if you can learn the wheel strategy, if you can learn the simple steps to being a successful wheel strategy trader, then you guys could probably generate enough money someday in the future to eventually quit your job. But yeah, dreamers, if you made it to this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. When we get above 30% on notification bells, I'm going to do a giveaway. But yeah, dreamers, that's all I got for you guys today. And as always, I'm Zeke, bringing you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.
This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments are by risk. Your research is not licensed financial advisor. Any third party considering false and fair use commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional in your area before making investment decisions.